वेलकम बॉयज टू द गैरेज अगेन। आज हम बात करने वाले हैं अबाउट मोटरसाइकिल्स। एज जब भी हम गैरेज में होते हैं तो मोटरसाइकिल्स की ही बात होती है एंड टुडेज वीडियो इज गोइंग टू बी वेरी वेरी सिमिलर टू दैट, ऑल अबाउट मोटरसाइकिल्स। सो एज यू कैन सी parked behind me is that motorcycle which is my Harley Davidson। अब हार्ली डेविडसन जो मोटरसाइकिल है मेरे लिए पर्सनली एक ड्रीम बाइक थी। हार्ली डेविडसन, इतना बड़ा नाम, इतना हेरिटेज, 100 साल के ऊपर की हिस्ट्री है इस ब्रांड की। सो व्हेन आई वाज गोइंग टू बाय अ हार्ली डेविडसन आई वाज वेरी एक्साइटेड टू बाय इट, बट the problem is that you have to get the right Harley Davidson because when you are buying a motorcycle like this which is on the lower end of the spectrum, आपको बड़ी बेसिक सी मोटरसाइकिल मिलती है। सिर्फ एक इंजन मिलता है, चेसी मिलते हैं, आगे पीछे के पहिए मिलते हैं, टैंक एंड हैंडल एंड ओनली वन सीट। जी हाँ, सेकंड सीट नहीं मिलती है, वो आपको खरीदनी पड़ती है। सो आज का वीडियो होने वाला है अबाउट मॉडिफिकेशंस एंड कस्टमाइजेशंस ऑफ दीज मोटरसाइकिल्स। So this motorcycle parked behind me has got mods over 6.5 lakh rupees. That's right guys, 6.5 लाख रुपए का modifications किया हुआ है इस मोटरसाइकिल पे। So I was very lucky to get my hands on this bike. So today let's talk about that and किस तरीके के modifications होते हैं, क्या करना है, क्या costing है हर पार्ट का, वो भी मैं आपको बोलूँगा। So let's start this video. Let's go guys. Alright guys, so this is the motorcycle। अब हम बात करते हैं कि क्या क्या किया हुआ है इस मोटरसाइकिल पर, बट उसके पहले there are two types of modifications which you can do on any motorcycle or any car। One would be an aesthetic and one would be a performance oriented। So this has got both of those। Let me quickly start with the aesthetic part of this motorcycle। जो पहली चीज़ आप नोटिस करोगे इस मोटरसाइकिल पे है वो है इसका अमेजिंग पेंट जॉब। It's got this electric blue color paint job with metal flakes on it which looks really really beautiful and it's been inspired by its elder sibling the Harley Davidson 48। ये जो स्पोर्ट्सटर लिखा हुआ है इस टैंक पर, इसका ये मतलब होता है कि ये जो टाइप की बाइक्स होती है इसे स्पोर्ट्सटर स्टाइल कहते हैं। सो दैट इज व्हाई स्पोर्ट्सटर इज रिटन ऑन द मोटरसाइकिल। सो इट्स अ वेरी नाइसली डन पेंट जॉब। Whatever prices I'm going to tell you has been told by the previous owner and I have checked with a few people and they are pretty much give or take the right price। The cost of this paint job was about 45,000, so that is one part of the bike। The next thing which you're going to notice on this bike is the tires of the bike। This has got white wall tires। अब मज़े की बात ये है कि this is a kit which is available for putting it on any motorcycle by a company called Autorunner। So you can go and check them out and they can pretty much find or customize a set for your bike। So you need not have to change the entire tires। Another thing which is a kind of an old school touch is the seat। दिस इज़ नोन एज अ किंग एंड क्वीन सीट। अब ये जो स्टॉक बाइक आती है इसमें दो सेपरेट सीट्स आती है और इसमें एक ही है। टू कॉम्प्लीमेंट दैट इज अनदर ओल्ड स्कूल टच। दिस इज नोन एज अ सीसी बार। दिस इज अ काइंड ऑफ अ फीचर विच अ लॉट ऑफ पीपल आर नॉट लाइकिंग इट बट पर्सनली आई लव इट। द सीसी बार ऑल्सो एक्ट्स एज अ बैकरेस्ट, सो जो पीछे बैठते हैं दे आर प्रीटी मच कंफर्टेबल। सो दीज आर अ बेसिक एस्थेटिक मॉड्स डन ऑन दिस मोटरसाइकिल। नाउ लेट मी स्टार्ट विद अ लिटिल बिट मोर परफॉर्मेंसी oriented mods। So in the front of the motorcycle you will see a daymaker headlight। Now the advantage of this is that के like the name suggests वो night को day बना देता है। Pretty powerful headlight and during the day also when you're riding oncoming traffic can see you very easily। दूसरा इसके अंदर है custom levers, custom grips and a chrome kit for all the indicators। So that is another modification done to it। Now keeping in mind the chrome theme of this motorcycle, the handle has been changed। It's a chrome handle। Also the stand has been changed। It's a chrome stand। Another important thing which you should always do on any big cruising motorcycles or any motorcycle for a fact is add a crash guard। Again this is a custom chrome crash guard by Harley Davidson। So that's another feature which is there। The cost of the daymaker is about 45,000 something like that। The crash guard would be around 15 to 20,000। The grips, levers I'm not very sure but catch another 10,000 or something like that for the cost। Now moving on further, this motorcycle has one thing which is very very cool is it's got an aftermarket meter। Now this meter is very cool because it's got a lot of information on it. आपका जो स्टॉक हार्ली डेविडसन का मीटर आता है उसमें आपको सिर्फ स्पीड दिखती है एंड आपको बहुत बेसिक सा चीज़ मिलता है, वेराज इसमें आपको आपका आरपीएम मिलता है, फ्यूल इंडिकेटर है, फ्यूल रिजर्व रेंज इंडिकेटर है, फिर आपका टाइम है, ट्रिप्स है, ओडोमीटर है. सो लॉट ऑफ थिंग्स आर देयर एंड इट्स गॉट अ मैचिंग कलर टू द टैंक, सो इट्स गॉट अ वेरी कूल लुक. ऑल्सो एक और फीचर जो मुझे इसका बहुत पसंद आता है वो है इसका पल्सेटिंग लाइट. जब आप मोटरसाइकिल को बंद करते हो सो स्लोली द मीटर डिम्स आउट रादर देन जस्ट कटिंग ऑफ डायरेक्टली. नाउ मूविंग ऑन फर्दर डाउन द मोटरसाइकिल, you are going to see this thing over here. This is known as your air filter or your breather. Now this is by TBR, which is Two Brother Racing, and it's one of the performance parts which is required. काफ़ी सारे लोग आते हैं and पूछते हैं कि ये क्या चीज़ है. So it is an air filter for your motorcycle to breathe better. Now the most prominent part on this motorcycle you're going to see is the exhaust of this bike. This is known as a Venson Hines big radius exhaust. So it's a pretty big and loud exhaust. Right now I'm getting used to the sound of the bike because it was a bit too loud for my taste, but here it is. It really makes the bike sound amazing. Both the front and the back foot pegs are aftermarket. They are proper Harley Davidson pieces, and they are very very good quality, super heavy, very durable foot pegs, and it gives you a very comfortable feeling when you're riding because जो स्टॉक आता था वो काफ़ी नैरो था, ये चौड़ा है थोड़ा. Also the gear lever is aftermarket on this motorcycle, so that's another thing which is there. एक और performance oriented part जो इस motorcycle पे है वो है Screaming Eagle plug wires for better current to go to your spark plug. So that's another mod which is done on this motorcycle. Then this bike also comes with something which is known as a highway horn. Now this is a highly recommended mod if you are going for long distances, if you are touring. Let me make you hear what it sounds like. So at this point let me tell you guys, if you're wearing a earphone, please take it out because this is pretty loud. Let me just show you how loud it is. So really loud this is, but it's a highly recommended mod you should definitely do on the motorcycle. Now I have told you about almost everything. There is one thing which I have saved for the last, like they say, save the best for the last. This motorcycle comes with a front and back fully adjustable Öhlins suspension. That's right guys, it comes with a front and back Öhlins suspension. This is a very expensive aftermarket mod. The costing would be anywhere between 2 to 2.5 lakhs, and it's worth it in my opinion. Putting this shocks has completely transformed the way this bike handles, the way the bike feels. It gives a very different feeling. वो एकदम फट से it goes into a corner, फट से it comes out of a corner, and it makes the bike feel very light compared to a standard IN 883. I've had a friend who's clocked about 40,000 kilometers on his IN, and when he rode this bike, he was instantly blown away by the way this bike handled. So a definite important mod on the motorcycle. एक और चीज़ जो हार्ली डेविडसन नहीं आती है वो है लॉकेबल गैस कैप के साथ. सो नॉर्मल जो कैप रहती है कोई भी खोल के उसके अंदर कुछ भी कर सकता है. सो इफ समवन हु डजंट रियली लाइक यू टू मच कैन कम एंड डू दिस. So we've changed that and we've got a lockable gas cap now. Another cool mod which is not expensive or rather pretty much free of cost is the mirrors. These are stock mirrors but they have been inverted so that it looks cooler under the handles. So yeah, that's pretty much all the mods done on this motorcycle. Now if you enjoyed this video, make sure you smash the like button and subscribe to my channel. Also guys, I'm coming up with a very cool contest coming up on the channel, which let's just say you might get a chance to ride one of these motorcycles. So stay tuned for that. In the following weeks I'm going to let you know about what that is. Till then, subscribe to the channel, comment down below and definitely like the video and share it with your friends. Time to end. Till the next time, keep the rubber side down, over and out. This is Sharik V signing out. See you guys later.